students, today we study about the types of natural selection. Based on the different organism and environment relationship, three types of natural selection have been recognized. That is stabilizing selection, directional selection and disruptive selection. First of all, just try to understand what do you mean about this type of selection. That is stabilizing, directional and disruptive. Stabilizing एक तरह का स्थिर एक सिलेक्शन एक तरह से जहां पर इंडिविजुअल्स की संख्या बिल्कुल स्थिर रहती है. यहां पर हम देखें, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गो थ्रू दीज डायग्राम्स. दिस इज द ओरिजिनल पॉपुलेशन. ये पी के माध्यम से इन्हें बहुत अच्छे समझाया गया है. दिस इज द ओरिजिनल population P. It consisting of three kinds of phenotypes or three kinds of individuals. S for small size individuals, M for medium size individuals and L for large size individuals. This arrow show the frequency of the population and this arrow show the phenotype or kind of individuals. यदि वातावरण की सभी स्थिति, परिस्थिति और दशाएं अनुकूलन में रहती हैं किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म के, तो तीन कंडीशंस पे निर्भर करता है उनकी पॉपुलेशन का जो घनत्व बढ़ेगा, डेंसिटी बढ़ेगा. तीन कंडीशन पे निर्भर करता है. फर्स्ट इज द स्टेबलाइजिंग. हियर ओनली द मीडियम इंडिविजुअल्स फ्लरिश व्हाइल द स्मॉल और लार्ज इंडिविजुअल्स डू नॉट फ्लरिश मोर. Second is the directional. Here only small and medium individuals are flourish, while the large individuals do not flourish. In third condition, this is the disruptive conditions. Here a destruction, that is a curve is formed between the two peaks. Here small and large individuals flourish while the medium individuals do not flourish here. Now try to understand all these kind of natural selection in detail. First of all, stabilizing selection. Here the average, that is medium size individuals, increases further, but the frequencies of smaller and larger size individuals is reduced and ultimately becomes negligible. In the case of this stabilizing selection, here only medium size individuals flourish and these are short, that is small, or large size individuals negligibly. For example, human birth weight and density of cactus spines show this kind of stabilizing selection. Second is the directional selection. Here smaller and larger individuals are selected by nature and increase in frequency in coming generations. This one, है ना? For example, size of black bear in Europe decreased during the interglacial period of the ice age, but increases during each glacial periods, as well as the beak size in the population of finches is differ according to the adaptation in different kind of finches. Like this, here only small and medium individuals flourish, while large individuals do not flourish here according to the environmental condition. It means large individuals do not adapt themselves in such kind of environmental conditions. Third is the disruptive selection. Here the individuals of both the extremes, that is smaller and larger, are favored and increase in the frequency. They increase in the frequency here. देखिए यहाँ पे, but medium individuals are not flourish here. वो यहाँ पे दिखला ही नहीं गए. इसका मतलब केवल और केवल स्मॉल और आपके लार्ज इंडिविजुअल्स फ्लरिश. इट इज अ रेयर काइंड ऑफ selection, natural selection in the nature, but it occurred during the frequent change in the environment. For example, industrial melanges in peppered moth is the best example in the case of the short kind of individuals or small kind of individuals, and evolution of giraffe neck in the case of large individuals. Thus, this is a kind of theory. This is a type of 3 types of the natural selection. Thank you and have a nice day.